Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a sweet 2016 Harley Davidson Fat Boy S. This bike's pretty nice, guys. It's got the denim black paint. And the S model has the Screamin' Eagle 110-inch fuel-injected V-twin. It's got the 6-speed transmission, nice wide floorboards and pedals, good looking tank badges. It's also got factory security, ABS brakes, and this fat boy even comes with electronic cruise control. It's got the 2-piece seat. If you want to have that soloed out look, all you gotta do is take off the passenger part. It's got a small little scratch right here on the rear fender. That was the only thing I could find. It's only got 200 miles on it. It's got a good Dunlop tire on the rear. It's one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles, so we do a multi-point inspection, test ride it, make sure everything's working correctly, and then we give it a professional detail. It's got the black finish on the motor, the gloss black, the heel toe shifter. It's got the blacked out front end. It's a pretty mean looking bike, and it's got the motor to back it up too. Good Dunlop on the front. $218 miles. I think this 110 needs a set of pipes. If you'd like that, we got a full parts and service department. You can order whatever you'd like and get it installed for you. If you'd like to know more about this Fat Boy S, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. So it'd be real easy to get this one to you. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.